Laughter is really underrated, and in a world with so much happenings like wars, chaos, riots, uproars, life challenges, and so much more, it's sometimes hard to laugh, but even harder when you can't find someone to make you laugh. But all of that ends with this video because I found a way to make yourself laugh, and trust me, it has no side effects like the best hack to not be scared by any other movie video on my channel. And you don't need to touch any part of your body to perform this hack. All you need is you and your smartphone. But before then, briefly, I would like to share with you 7 weird facts about laughter. Number 1. Are you aware that 10 to 15 minutes of daily laughing burns 10 to 40 calories? Wow, that's informative. Number 2. A healthy laughter brings in much more oxygen than normal breathing would do. Does that mean that we should stop breathing and start laughing? Number 3. A healthy laughter can help reduce pain and infections. After the day's work, try laughter and thank me later, or you can thank me now by subscribing to my channel. Number 4. Laughter increases our self-esteem, which causes pleasant sensations, and it helps eliminate negative feelings like sadness and even depression. I totally agree with this because sometimes when I'm angry, all I need to do is force myself to laugh, and it truly works. You can try it out if you want. Number 5. If you're not happy with excess weight, then this is for you. 15 minutes of daily laughing can make you lose weight. My journey begins today. What's funny? Number 6. It has been scientifically proven that laughter can be contagious. Never been more true. Never been truer. Okay. It's so true because it's just like yawning. Bruh. And lastly, number 7. This is quite tough because it's not fun. Here it goes. Laughing has been the cause of death for many people. Cause of death for many people. Now, for staying for longer, here's how to make yourself laugh. What language was that? Anyways, I hope you got it, but if you didn't, it's as simple as recording yourself and reversing the footage in the video editing app. And you can make things more fun if you decide to fast forward the footage. It's all yours to play with. If you're looking for the most idle app on your smartphone or the best hack to not be scared by any other movie, links in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in a future video. Bye for now.